Hi everyone, and welcome to the Halloween tutorial for this creepy doll look. The first thing you're going to want to do is get a brown eyeshadow and smear it all over your eyelid. This isn't required, and don't worry if you don't have all of the things that are featured in this tutorial. It's just to add some depth to your eyeballs before you cover them in another darker brown. Oh, made a mistake, obviously. Keep blending, blend, and then cover it all in black. The best thing you can do when doing a Halloween look is the more black the better. Make sure to get any excess off of your brush before you go in though, otherwise you'll end up with a full face full of black dust. It will never leave and will stay forever. Keep blending. Blend it all in as much as you can. Next, you're going to want to add a base. So I used a foundation that's slightly too pale for me, but what you could use is white face paint or anything you can pick up around Halloween. I powdered over the top of it to keep it all in place. Not required if you're not going anywhere really. I like it so to keep it in check. Next up, a black eyeliner that I did swatch on my hand but it had rubbed off to draw a crack in your forehead. This took so many tries and so many attempts. You can see how much I concentrated on the image I've got up on a screen next to me. It's all a bit of playing around really. Keep going back. You can add as many as you like, as few as you like. I tried lots. Obviously, you just saw me trying to wipe them off. Draw your outline as big or as small as you like. It was okay. And then fill the whole thing in. Colour it all in with the black pencil you've got. It doesn't matter what kind of black pencil it is. I'm using a Morphe eyeliner. You can literally go to town on this area. I then went back and cleaned it up with a black liquid eyeliner. Again, not required, just something I like to do to make it super black. So now I'm adding in the black lines under your eyes for where the white will go to make your eyes look doll-like, all big and spooky. And I swatched one white eyeliner and one with another, but the same thing applies if you've got white face paint. That will work just as well. Added a little bit in the corner to brighten it up and add that doll effect. Next we're going in for the cheeks. Bright pink, straight onto your cheeks. Don't tap the brush as I'm showing here. You want as much on your brush as possible. Straight down in a circle. And just use pink eyeshadow if you've got one available. It really doesn't matter. And then I added some freckles. It really doesn't matter whether you use the brown pencil that I'm using, the black eyeliner, black face paint on a little cotton bud. All of those are fine. I used a cotton bud to just clear up some of the that had gone a bit awry. But yeah, that's most of the face. This is again optional. You don't have to. But I added some mascara. I would have added fake eyelashes if I had had them. Then I used the black pencil to draw in the lines and the sides of the mouth. Try and get them as precise as possible, but again, this is all just playing around. You can make them as long or as short as you like. Going in with a white pencil, which will then turn into the teeth of the doll on the bottom lip and the bottom of my chin, leaving some space for lipstick underneath. Use the same liquid liner from earlier to draw on teeth. Again, you can use the face paint. It really doesn't matter. I just used what was available to me, as you can. More teeth. Lots more teeth. And then use the same black liner to go around it to make the white pop. Next up, you're going to want to do what you did with the crack and just colour in all the space in between the two sets of teeth. And then I got a bright pink lip liner, but you can use any sort of pink that you have to draw lips. Oh, I messed that one up. But to draw lips underneath the teeth, and then make your top lip really pointy on the Cupid's bow and pull it down to make the top lip. Fill that all in. You can use lipstick, lip liner, really doesn't matter. Keep it going. Get it as precise as you possibly can while trying not to get it on the white teeth below. So I topped up the blush because you could never have too much as a doll. And then we moved on to the hair. So I did very simple pigtails, something I hadn't done since I was a child. They were uneven. However, I don't think that's too bad. It means you're dressing up for Halloween as a doll who has been in a cupboard for a while. Get both of those up. I also didn't have matching scrunchies, but it would be best with more touching up. A little bit more punchy white going on. And there's the finished look. An easy, creepy doll that will allow you to use anything that you've got in the house.